We're in France.
So tell me. Okay, we have to be serious.
Yeah.
It's a very serious interview. I'm here with Shelley Zalis of the Female Quotient, but you already knew that. We're in Cannes Lions. So tell me, Shelley, what's one thing the markets can't predict, but it means all the world for your brand?
Oh, wow. Number one, trade, tariffs, uncertainty. We need more certainty. But I also think the impact of DE&I on brand, on the economy, on growth, on innovation. I actually think it's predictable because it's choice, and it's the decisions that we make. And so if we actually believe that we need diversity to reflect and represent the society and consumers we serve, we put it as part of our strategy and part of our DNA. It's not something that comes and goes.
Well, you're already answering my next question about leveraging the ups and downs of the markets, which I feel like are what you're addressing.
Well, I actually think the whole trade and tariffs concept is a very good conversation because it's opportunity for women-owned businesses. Supply chain, supply chain, supply chain. We're losing a lot of our suppliers, but we also can gain so many more if we pay attention to all these amazing women-owned businesses that are qualified, able, and ready to go.
And you're all about democratizing access for those opportunities. So how do you feel like your team has creatively expanded on that, of course, in your media landscape?
I think it's about storytelling. It's about making the invisible visible because they're out there and people will say, well, we don't know about them. And less than 1% of procurement dollars go to women-owned businesses. Why? I mean, we know that when women run businesses, they outperform male-owned businesses. So what are we waiting for?
What are we waiting for?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Not 134 years, I can tell you that much. WEF says it'll take 134 years to close the gender gap. Where will you be? Where will your children be? And where will your grandchildren be? That's what I want to know. We sent men to the moon in 10 years. Should have sent women if we had spacesuits. We do now. We created the internet in 25 years and a vaccine for a deadly disease in 1 year. We can't pay women the same as men. We have the data. We can't figure out how to hire more women that are totally qualified for supply chain. I mean, it's all about conscious choice and prioritization. And anything is possible if you want it.
It's possible if we keep fighting for it.
We shouldn't have to. It's right there. So I actually think storytelling, if we share these stories that they're out there and they exist and we make them more visible, then it's not unconscious. If you're aware of the fact that there's businesses to hire, then be conscious and choose them. If you don't want to. Simple. Heard it here.
Heard it here at Cannes Lions.